I have already swapped mine out, so the video that you're getting ready to watch is just me taking out the new steel mag catch and putting it right back in. As far as tools go, we really only need one tool, and that is a pick similar to this one. Now, as you can see, I have a variety of picks here that I've purchased, but I have found that this one with just the 90 degree on it probably works the best. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coming up from inside the magazine well from the bottom, and from the video that I'm getting ready to show you, you'll be able to see how we're going to catch that little bar inside of there, pull it up, be able to get the mag catch out. All right, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and just get your pick up inside there and get up underneath that spring bar that's holding the mag release. You're going to get up underneath it, and you're simply going to lift it up on top of the mag catch. Once it's on top, you can simply push on the mag catch in the direction that you would normally release the mag, and it should continue the rest of the way out. And of course, just kind of give it a little pull and it's out. Next, you want to go ahead and get your new steel mag catch. Just basically get it sitting in there. What we're going to do now is just go ahead and get the pick back up underneath the mag catch spring, and you're just going to lift it up just high enough where you can get your mag catch under it. Once it's under it, then you can let go of the spring, down back on the mag catch, seat the mag catch all the way in. You're going to get your spring or your pick and push the spring over into the catch notch, and that is it. All right guys, I hope that helped you out. Definitely a great upgrade, totally recommend it. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. So until the next one, stay safe, God bless.